current time is 11:17 a.m. and since yesterday, BOX has made it clear that probably within the next 5 hours or so from now, I'd say, they will be likely posting a flood watch for the entire region for Monday's event, as well as possibly upgrading the high wind watch to a high wind warning for Eastern Mass and Rhode Island. So it's just a waiting game now, folks.
Portions of northern Connecticut, including the following areas: Hartford, Connecticut, Holland, Connecticut, and Windham, Connecticut, Massachusetts, including the following areas: Barnstable, Massachusetts, Central Middlesex, Massachusetts, Eastern Essex, Massachusetts, Eastern Franklin, Massachusetts, Eastern Hampden, Massachusetts, Eastern Hampshire, Massachusetts, Eastern Norfolk, Massachusetts, Eastern Plymouth, Massachusetts, Northern Bristol, Massachusetts, Northern Middlesex, Massachusetts, Northern Worcester, Massachusetts, Southeast Middlesex, Massachusetts, Southern Bristol, Massachusetts, Southern Plymouth, Massachusetts, Southern Worcester, Massachusetts, Suffolk, Massachusetts, Western Essex, Massachusetts, Western Franklin, Massachusetts, Western Hampden, Massachusetts, Western Hampshire, Massachusetts, Western Norfolk, Massachusetts, and Western Plymouth, Massachusetts.
Get to the point, all of Southern New England, we get it.
Following areas: Bristol, Rhode Island, Eastern Kent, Rhode Island.
Gonna take up the whole damn 2 minutes.
Rhode Island, Northwest Providence, Rhode Island, Southeast Providence, Rhode Island, Washington, Rhode Island, and Western Kent, Rhode Island. When, from late tonight through Tuesday morning, impacts, excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Area creeks and streams are running high and could flood with more heavy rain. Additional details: http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Here is the recreation forecast for Summit.
I forgot to get keys easy for you, fuck, whatever.
Rest of today, cloudy. Highs in the upper.
So, now that I finally have a chance to do this, apparently, let's see the replay function of this thing.
Flooding caused by rain and snowmelt is possible. Where portions of northern.
So that's really cool. Also, it's kind of a funny looking graphic for flood alerts. There you have it. Oh, and they decided to continue the high wind watch, so I will be getting fucked over by blackout hours yet again, but what can you do? Alright. Good stuff. I guess just kind of a funny little fail about that flood watch. The message is already gone on this thing. But the Midlands rated perfectly fine as a 6-hour event. So, I don't know why this thing decided to decode that as like a 30-minute event, but whatever. I think that might be a bug on some radios where the event timing is like over 10 hours. Because of course radios like the Recom and the WX100 are meant to read those longer fuse times, but not the not a lot of these radios, so I guess an error this thing decoded it as a 30-minute event, so the message is already gone.
What flooding caused by rain and snow is possible? Where portions of Maine, including the following areas: Androscoggin, central interior Cumberland, central and southern Somerset, Cumberland, Waldo, York, Highlands, Kennebec, Knox, Lincoln, Franklin, Oxford, Sagadahoc, and New Hampshire, including the following areas: Belknap, Cheshire, Rockingham, Eastern Hillsborough, Merrimack, Carroll, Cohasset, Grafton, Stratford, Sullivan, and Western and Central Hillsborough. Wind from Monday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon. Impact. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Low water crossings may be flooded.
Just in time.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest New Hampshire and north central Massachusetts, south to State Route 2, including Manchester, Nashua, and Keene. Rest of today, mostly
So,
cloudy.
did this read this as another
Highs
half-hour
in the
event?
lower 40s. Light and very
No,
low
read it
winds
as a 2.5
becoming
hour event.
southeast
Okay.
around 10 miles an
Good to
hour
know.
with gusts up to 20 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy until midnight, and mostly...
Alright. So that's Grace Flood Watch. And we can replay that one too.
What? Flooding caused by rain and snow?
Neato. La-dee-da. Focus. One of these days I'll get the hang of this or this here camera.
What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Sudbury River at Saxonville. When? From Tuesday morning to Wednesday morning. Impacts at 10.0 feet. Flooding will affect low-lying areas along the river and Wayland, including a portion of Shore Road and Helen Island Road near Hurds Pond. Additional details at 11:15 a.m. Monday, the stage was 9.1 feet. Thankful stage is 10.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 10.0 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Here is wind advisory information for Conway. When? From this morning to just after midnight tonight. Impacts at 9.0 feet. Expect flooding of low bottom fields and private roads in Conway and North Conway. Minor flooding in Transvail Acres, Moatbrook Bridge, and the lower part of East. Road flood. Additional details. At 4:45 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 7.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 9.5 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage this evening. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Here is the recreation forecasting to 31.
That scared the fuck out of me.
What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Sunbrook River at North Chichester. When? From this afternoon to tomorrow morning. Impacts at 7.0 feet. Water up to Mockilda Road in Allenstown. Waterfront campsites impacted. Additional details. At 6:15 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 6.5 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest of 7.1 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 7.0 feet.